Oh. Here it comes.
I'm not gonna look until it pulls in.
Hey! Whoa, we got... Hey, shop's looking good. What up, Jumby?
What up?
You figured it out?
Yeah, almost done.
Ooh, premium, you killed it. This is the craziest wrap car I think I've ever seen, because when you're about 20 feet away and it's hard to pick up on camera, I guess that looks like it there. The car looks 100% black, and then when you get close to it, it's like this crazy rainbow. Very, very cool. What's up, Rick? Good morning.
Hello.
What are you doing today? Whoa.
Working on these tail lights a little bit. So this car has a 911R grafted in tail lights. So I'm going off factory wiring. So I have a factory wiring guide that I downloaded online. And I'm going off the factory wiring, hooking everything up, and then I'm gonna test it to see if it works.
Yeah.
You wanna see this?
That is a wiring nightmare.
It's a mess, but at least we figured out what everything is. So we got, and we tested all these too, so they all work. This is kind of a rough outline as to where the lights are gonna go. This one here is the parking, and this one here is the turn signal. And then we have them labeled down here. So 1968 wiring, it's kind of a mess, but we'll make it work.
Cool. All right, well, let's see if we can make some progress on this thing today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw this, but so many people have been telling me. So I picked up an LTW replica for the E36. Now, no, it is not authentic. If you guys know anything about E36s, they're really, really, really difficult to find an authentic one. I'm still on the lookout if anyone knows where one is. This is a fiberglass version. I'm sure we'll be able to get the fitment dialed in pretty good. But, woo, finally. What do you think? Big wing gang?
That dude?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Yep.
Damn, that looks nice, dude.
Boy, so I used to have the lowrider one, which was about half the height. But that's the tall one.
Is it taller than the Supra though?
Oh, I don't know, it's not. But what's under here? Oh, I'm gonna have to blur that out. Tomorrow is the last day to get entered to win our Subaru WRX. If you guys have not seen it on our channel, I'll put a playlist up here. We've got about, I don't know, 20 videos that's showing the car from completely stock to where it is today. Right now the car is off at the paint shop getting all the last minute stuff done, and let me tell you guys, it's awesome. I totally understand why the Subaru community is thriving. The car from an all-around perspective is really, really good, and I'm not just saying that because we're giving it away or anything like that. I'm saying because it's really a solid car. I drove the car to and from Vegas for the Tune in Tokyo show, literally had zero problems. So I know for BMWs, it probably wouldn't have been that way, but honestly, it's a really good car. Mickey and I, and actually the rest of the throtl team, have been working on it for a while, and you know, we're happy we're in a position where we're able to give it away to one of you guys. So, you know, I hope you guys recognize, you know, we don't have to do that, but we want to. I feel good about giving cars away. I mean, it's changes people's lives, and that's, you know, really what we're trying to do here, and give back to the car community. So if you haven't checked out VIP, I'll put the link in the description. Tomorrow is the last day, tomorrow at midnight Pacific Standard Time, September 30th, and then that's it. So once that's done, it'll be about a week until our legal team and everything goes through all the entries, making sure everything is legit. And then we'll be posting the video on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everything with who won the car. So very exciting stuff. We are super, super excited to give it away to one of you guys. And I just want to say thank you guys for the support. Now, the moment of truth, probably wondering what's next? What is the next project car for throtl? Well, we're about to show you. Oh. Here it comes.
Not gonna look until it pulls in.
Hey! Whoa, we got another VR4. Woo!
Check it out.
Okay.
So the car is a 1995 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. It's a clean title, has 120,000 miles on it, and it needs a lot of work.
Just got off the phone with Mickey and he's pumped. I'm super pumped. This car is going to be freaking awesome. Just so you guys know, we are doing the full Mickey spec treatment. I'm gonna let him run this project for us, and I'm gonna be there just to help him and support him and try to get some of the work done while he's working on the RX-7 and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in this content, if you don't know that much about VR4s, please subscribe. Subscribe so you guys get up to date as soon as we post a video. I'm gonna be trying to edit, so I do all the editing for the throtl YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to edit the VR4 videos and the RX-7 videos as much as possible. We should have daily content coming out, but I want you guys to subscribe. That way you get notified as soon as we post something up. Super happy that we get to bring it back from the dead and share it with you guys. And if you don't know that much about a VR4, about the VR4s actually in general, twin turbo, all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, they're pretty powerful. They're really cool cars. They're a little bit heavy, but hopefully we can do some carbon fiber stuff and maybe lighten this car up a little bit. But this one's gonna be wild, guys. The last one was OEM Plus. This one is gonna be wild, mark my words.
This is your basic layout of the car, and that's pretty much what it could look like when it's finished. Red, green.
Man, you should be going to MIT or something.
I don't think paint's supposed to sound like this.
It needs stand-up shit.
Dude, if we just scrape all this off, it'll be matte black.
You guys liked it the first time. This one is gonna be a totally different animal. The last one we did kind of OEM Plus, kind of mild. Our plans for this one are a little bit more extreme. What I'm gonna do in this video is kind of give a brief overview of the condition of the car, and in the next video we're gonna talk about all of the plans. But just note, everything is getting refinished, inside and out, 100%, new paint job, new wheels and tires, new suspension. This thing is gonna be even more badass than the first one we did. The interior on this is definitely seen better days. The dash is in good shape, which is good, but that's pretty much it. The door cards are pretty rough. The seats, as you guys can see, are pretty rough. Now, it did come with a bunch of extra parts, which will be helpful. It came with an extra exhaust system, so we'll take a look at that. As you guys can see, that wheel's totally damaged. The brakes are trash. I mean, we got cobwebs everywhere. What is all this? Who knows? The paint is completely gone. There's literally no clear coat left. Let's see. Now underneath the hood, almost 100% stock, 120,000 mile, twin turbo V6 all-wheel drive. Does have a cone air filter, which has seen better days, and a aluminum radiator, which looks to be pretty recently replaced. Other than that, everything is stock, and the active arrow still works, which is really cool.
Popping out of here.
Oh, sounds painful. Yeah, all right, so let's do this again. Do it on the back here. Sick.
That's sweet. So imagine this with like a big gurney flap on the back. That'd be dope.
Cool. Guys, it is going to be epic. I'm super stoked. You know, not a lot of people know about these cars. Come on, train. I mean, this car has been sitting on the side of the road forever, and we're able to bring it back to life, and we're gonna make it better than it's ever been. So super pumped on that. If you guys are interested in the VR4, please remember to subscribe. we can see the analytics, guys, and we see a lot of people who are watching our stuff and they're not subscribed. So please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. That way you're notified as soon as we post another video. We're gonna be posting videos on this car nearly every single day. We're gonna be trying to do the RX-7 content and VR4 content all at the same time. So bear with me, I'm the one doing all of the editing, but I will try to do my best to keep up with everything, guys. As always, please give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one.